Naija permanent secretary don clap hand give State House clinic staff unto say dem dey handle dis yamayama disease well. Permanent secretary for State House Tijani Umar don tok say the correct way wey dem take dey stop the waka-waka of dis yamayama disease for State House Abuja dey very strong and solid. Im come clap hand for the medical workers wey dey work for the clinic sake of say na dem dey do all the ogbonge work to take stop the virus since im begin dey waka for Naija. The permanent secretary tok dis one for the valedictory session wey dem do to take honour Augustus Ogweri, wey be the deputy director on top planning and State House Servicom, as e retire from civil service on Tuesday 19 August 2020 sake of say e don reach 60 years. For the event, dem salute Dr. Ibrahim Bashir, wey be the head of public health department for State House Clinic, and Dr. Chukwu Eze for all the ogbonge things wey dem don do to take stop the waka-waka of the yamayama disease for State House Abuja. Umar Koyan say since dem report the first case of COVID-19 for Naija, the medical team for State House Clinic don dey forefront on top the matter, as na dem dey make sure say dem implement all the public health advice and protocols wey go help stop the waka-waka of this yamayama disease among all the workers and visitors wey dey come presidential villa. E con still yarn on top all the better things wey dem don do, wey be the local production of medical supplies and equipment like face masks, face shields, hand sanitizers, hand wash and disinfectants. He tok say belle sweet am well on top all these ogbonge things wey dem don do. The national coordinator and chief executive director on top Servicom, Nena Akajemeli, come salute the permanent secretary and the management team on top say they don improve correct service delivery for the State House. The permanent secretary and the Servicom coordinator come still congratulate Augustus Ogweri wey dey retire on top all the ogbonge things wey im don deliver give Naija. Na here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today, as the permanent secretary for State House Abuja don clap hand give State House clinic staff on top say dem dey handle COVID-19 well for the country. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Edoroko Edoleye.